Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel where we collect and create all things cute. I'm the Pastel Prince, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make rainbow high hangers. Now, the reason I wanted to do this is because although they do give us hangers, which I'm really grateful for, they give us multiple outfits usually with each doll, but only one set of hangers. So it's like, personally, I don't have enough hangers for all the clothes that I have. And I don't know if any of you guys purchased the Deluxe fashion closet, but this would be a really good option for all of those extra clothes to hang up in that closet. So if you guys want to learn how to make your own rainbow high hangers, keep on watching. Alright, so first thing we're going to want to do is make our mold. So this is what the putty looks like. It's actually kind of fun. It's like a Play-Doh almost. But yeah, so we'll just grab out a piece from each one. And the way that this works is you mix one part of the purple one and one part of the white one, and you basically like mold it together and let it dry. And then once it's dry, you have your mold. Again, super easy. So it says to like use a scale, but I'm lazy and I'm just gonna eyeball it. Alright, so it looks like these guys are pretty even. Again, I'm just eyeballing it, you guys, but if you want to be official and legit, you can go ahead and use a scale. I'll probably have to buy one for future projects, but for now, these look about right. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and start smushing them together. And then the instructions say you want to mold it together until there's no more like white swirls. So just keep molding it, and the work time for this is gonna be, I believe, like, I think it says 1 minute, so you want to work kind of fast. Alright, now that looks pretty good, no more swirls left, and what we want to do is roll it into a ball. And then it says to flatten it as much as, well, not as much as possible, but what we want to do is flatten it so that the hanger will fit within the perimeter of the mold. Oh my god, it's already starting to cure. Okay, yeah, again, you want to work kind of fast, and what we're going to do is put it with the rainbow face, or the word rainbow facing down. This is actually Violet's hanger from Winter Break. She's the only Winter Break doll I have, and so this was the only hanger I had that said rainbow. But yeah, I think this one's way cuter than the original ones, so we're using this one. But yeah, you want to just push it in. You don't want to push it in too far, because then you start to have like this area like overlap. So there's kind of a closer shot of what it looks like as it's gonna be setting. But yeah, it doesn't have to be perfect, because when we pour it in, it's actually gonna only go, like, we're only gonna fill it as much as we want it to go. Alright, so this is what the mold actually looks like up close, and it came out so good. You want to be careful when you're peeling out the hanger, because you don't want to like rip anything on the mold, but the thing about this is like it doesn't get fully hard. It's still like rubbery and bendy, so you don't have to worry about like breaking it or anything. But yeah, so now what we're gonna do next is get the resin ready to pour in. Alright, so now that we have both of our molds all ready to go, what we're gonna do is grab our resin. There's one that's clear and one that's yellow, and the way that it works is we're gonna mix like equal parts of both. So these little measuring cups that it comes with, I'm gonna fill them up to, I think it's like 7.5 milliliters for each one. You want to be very careful that you get equal amounts of both, because what's going to happen is it's just not going to mix well and it's going to be a mess. So just keep on measuring it out until you get the perfect amount in both things. And next what we're going to do is mix it into this larger little container right here. So let's go ahead and grab our two separate resins and then just pour them in equally. And you want to work kind of quickly at this point, because the longer they sit together, the quicker they're going to cure. And let's do, I didn't choose which color I wanted to do. Let's just do red. So we'll do 5 drops, 1, 2, 3, actually let's do 6, 4, 5, 6. It's probably gonna come out orange because of the yellow in here, I think. I don't know, we'll see. So what we're gonna do now is mix it all up. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Try not to swirl it too quickly because we're gonna end up with really bad air bubbles. But just mix it as evenly as you can. And then just remember that whatever color it's appearing in here, it's gonna be a little bit lighter because the resin dries white and not clear. All right, so now we're gonna start pouring, and you wanna be very careful at this part because if you over pour, it's not gonna be good. So let's pour very slowly, let it fill up all the letters. All right, and literally just like a thin layer is fine because once you do it too thick, it's gonna, I don't know, it's just not gonna come out good. So that's the first one. And then you'll already notice it starting to like thicken up a bit. So again, you gotta work really quickly with this stuff. Maybe like one more drop in there, perfect. All right. So now what we gotta do is wait for it to cure, and again, since it's a little bit thinner, it's gonna take a little bit longer for these guys to cure, but yeah, it shouldn't take any more than like 15 minutes or so. So this is a totally different color, but I just wanted you guys to see on the right, look at how it cures. It's so cool and satisfying, and like this is sped up obviously, but just the process of watching it go from clear to white, I don't know, I love it every time. And then you can see on the left, that one's gonna start curing a little bit slower because I made it a little bit thinner. So like the thinner it is, the longer it takes to cure. But yeah, I just thought this was really cool. Anyway, on with the video. So here is how it looks once it's all cured up. Looking really good actually. I'm really happy with this pink color that we have. All right, so the way that you're gonna take it out is just, I mean, pretty simple. You're gonna kind of bend this like silicone putty mold part. You just pull it out and there you go. It looks so good, you guys. There's kind of like bubbles going on, but honestly, it's a hanger. Like, I didn't expect it to be perfect, but like from far away, that looks awesome. So that was pretty much the whole process, you guys. It's really simple. I'm just gonna repeat and make a bunch of different colors, and I'll show you guys the final results. So these are all the colors I was able to make, you guys. They came out so cute. I'm so happy with them. Of course, you know, I had to make a bunch of pastels. It's kind of my thing. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little DIY tutorial moment. It was actually super fun and easy being able to create all of these different hangers, and you know, you could even make like 5 of these molds and do several of the same color at once. You know, you can add glitter, you can customize your own colors. So I hope you guys have fun with this. If you end up making any of these, feel free to tag me on Instagram at @thepastelprince or on TikTok at @thepastelprince, or you can just leave it in the comments below saying that you guys had fun doing it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!